Despite dark clouds and heavy rain, the Duquesne Rotary Club held its annual car, truck, and tractor show at the Sportsplex on Saturday.
Well, this is our third, and we're hoping to be annual, Rotary Car Show, and we try to put it on every year. It's for a good cause. We have those who use baseball here at the Sportsplex for those kids that can't afford baseball gear, uniforms, whatever it takes to get them to play ball. That way everybody, is covered with, getting a glove, just being able to play.
More than a dozen classic car enthusiasts brought their vehicles to the show despite the wet conditions.
Attachments include mowing decks, front-end loader.
It's plain Fairlane. It's got a 390 in it with standard transmission. And that's about it. It belongs to a friend of mine. He built it about 30 years ago. Drove it for several years, and he had a stroke. And it sat up for a long time. And he called me up and wanted me to come get it and get running again for him. And I've had it all summer. He told me just drive it wherever you want to drive it to.
Old Starfire. I bought it like it sits. 394 cubic inch, all original car inside out. It's been restored. Well, I understand in 98 it was restored. That's about all I know about it.
I'm in here. You're in there. And I got a rat rod. It's going to be the top rat. And the top rat's truck number 7, 5140 F1. Wing Rotary Car, Truck, and Tractor Show. No tractors, guys. Bad guys. This is from the Gentry Chevrolet here in Duquesne. It's their pick. And the pick is Joyce Baines. And she has the little pickup right down here, the little red pickup. That's her choice, or our choice. For the Chevrolet plate. We want to go to, this is the Tallahena John Award. This award was one of our good friends, John McLemore, passed away. He had a saying that whenever he'd see a car, he said, "I love it, I love it, I love it." So we made this award here up, and it's called the I Love It Award.
Hey, we give out over 50 of them.
We've given out over 50 of these. When we go to car shows, we always give one out. So we're going to give one out to this. This is in loving memory of John E. McLemore, and it's by the No Name Gang. And we'll give this away, and we'd like to give this to Richard Gilbert.
Hey, he's right here.
There you go, Fred. Now, this award is you're going to be the first recipient of the award, and we may do this at every car show that we have from now on. It'll be called the Bucket of Bolts Award. And this Bucket of Bolts Award is for you.
Everybody look at it.
Yeah!
Oh, I love that. I love it, I love it, I love it.
We'll come out and have a good time. As you can see, we had 17 cars, a couple of motorcycles. On a day like today, you can see that a bad day at a car show beats a good day at work, no matter what you say. So we like to do this, and it just goes to show how everybody will come out when it is foul weather.